Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings so you can access the hotspot controls. Tap Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. This path puts configuration in front of you. Make sure mobile data is active and flip the Wi-Fi hotspot toggle on to reveal its menu. Once done, you'll see the hotspot name and a brief status. This is where the password is stored. Keep moving to the next screen to view or change that password safely. Now tap Mobile Hotspot to open detailed settings. You'll see the network name and security options. Select Configure or the pencil icon to edit. This reveals the SSID and the password field. You can long press the password to copy it or type a new one if you want better security. Make sure to choose WPA2/WPA3 security for stronger protection. After editing, save changes so connected devices must re-authenticate with the updated password. Finish by saving any edits and confirming the hotspot shows as active. That ensures the password you copied or set is live. Reconnect other devices using the new password. If they fail, toggle the hotspot off and on, then try again. If you still cannot view or use the password, reset network settings or restart the phone to clear glitches. This often resolves hidden or unresponsive hotspot menus. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.